All right. All right, music producers and sound designers, welcome back to the stream. Tonight, we're going to be diving into Reactor. We're going to build a generative melody machine. So, tonight I'm building a melody machine that writes music for you. No MIDI clips, no piano roll, just pure generative sound using Reactor. So by the end of this stream, it'll be spitting out some endless melodies, hopefully, or for sure. So we're going to start off, and I'm going to grab a clock. That's the first thing we're going to need. And I'm also going to grab an 8-step sequencer, which is going to help me to time everything. So we're going to hook up our gate and our reset controls. And I'm going to patch this together. So that we have a working device. So we don't need that. And finally, I'm going to need an envelope. So it's going to look something like this. I'm going to reorganize my panel a little bit so things are a little bit more organized. And yeah, so I'm going to turn this on. And get some sound out of it. So we're going to hit play. We're going to use the internal clock. And we've got our 8-step sequencer up and running. I'm going to add in a quantizer. So I'm going to add in a quantizer. And we are going to work through it. So okay. So let me just choose a key. Let's pick G major. So we know that we have one F sharp. So I'm going to pick a G major scale. G. Okay. So we got our G major scale. Let's see how that works. So we'll take this, we'll make it a and we got our melody working. Okay, I'm gonna bring in an LFO. And we'll hook up the LFO to a oscillator. finally, we'll filter our sound. We just want this LFO so that none of our sounds are exactly the same each time. So let's just put it slow. There we go. And we can hear the LFO doing its thing, opening up and closing. Okay, we just use one of the notes outside of the key to give some melodic movement. Okay, we can go ahead now and we can save our patch. So I'm going to go ahead and file, save. And we got a save patch. I'm going to go inside Reactor. I'm going to go inside Ableton, and we're going to open up an audio track so that we can see if we can put a drone chord underneath it. So let's open up. Our chord device, or we can always do it by hand. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to put a drone. We're in the key of G major. So I'm going to turn the volume down this channel just a little bit. And okay, we're going to add, let me see if I can find a device that will help me. So let's see. So let's see if this will help us. I'm going to take this, grab the chord. Okay. So I like that. Extend that. And we froze it. Just into a drone-like sound. So now I'm going to go back to my reactor, my device. and record that over top. Resample from track 36. Oh, that must be the wrong track. It's 38. And we're just recording it onto the track. Okay. Alright, let's just see how that sounds together. I'm going to mute the original. Rather than mute it, we can mute the actual device. See how that works. Now we got a drone and a sound. Now just to complete the loop, we'll add some kind of drums on top of that. So let's see how that works. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this device. I'm going to show the automation because I want it to turn off after the section is played. And there we go. We've taken our automated sound, our melodic device, and turned it into something we can use in our tracks. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for this full modular deep dive in sound design. And I will see you in the next live stream. Peace out.